Cotton candy switches are my favorite light tactile switch. They're manufactured by JWK and sold by Loobed Switches. They have minuscule pre-travel and a nice moderate bump that's definitely an improvement over any of the Brown switches I've used before. You can order switches in increments of 10 that are simply packaged in a bag. Stock switches are 65 cents a switch. Lubed and filmed are $1.29 a switch. They're not the most budget-friendly, but I definitely think that the stock switches are worth it. They say that the stock switches come lightly oiled from the factory, but my switches arrived completely dry. They have an opaque pink nylon bottom housing that's known for its deeper sound, opaque nylon top housings with MX-style latches, and a 19mm 58-gram lengthened gold-plated spring. They have a palm stem that's approximately 13mm, and they supposedly have the same stem as Pewter's, another light tactile switch. The Loop version has a thin layer of Tribosis 3204 on all sides except the legs. There's no lube on the springs. They have a Deskies film, and there's no lube anywhere on the bottom housing. So I lubed the 3 sides of the stem, avoiding the tactile legs. I used Krytox 205G0 for everything. I donut dipped the spring, and lightly looped the leaf after watching Keyboard's video about how he fixed the Glorious Panda's leaf ping. I felt like it didn't impact the tactility at all, and definitely reduced the noise. Cotton candies feel lighter than the Ajaz Kiwis, but heavier than a Gateron Brown. Gateron Browns can almost feel linear if you type on them quickly. Cotton candies don't. There is some stem wobble. Slightly more wobble on the stock switches, but I don't really think filming is necessary. I think it makes the ping and crunch more noticeable. The whole stem and housing move on Gateron Browns.